You searched how to buy shares of Lightwave Acquisition Corp, a company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LWAC that operates in optical and communications technology. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. You will need a broker to buy shares. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker LWAC to find Lightwave Acquisition Corp. Make sure the result shows the NASDAQ listing and select the correct share. On the stock page, check the basic company information and the price chart for LWAC to confirm you have the right asset. Review the sector, listing exchange, and summary data before moving on. To buy, choose trade or buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, and then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once executed, your LWAC position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For the same walkthrough, use the link in the description to visit eToro.